Hello everyone, this is the third part of the MCQ series from the chapter Chemical Reactions and Equations. Question number 1. A reaction in which energy is absorbed is known as option A. Exothermic reaction, B. Endothermic reaction, C. Oxidation, D. Reduction. The answer is option B. Endothermic reaction. Question number 2. A reaction in which energy is evolved is known as A. Exothermic reaction, B. Endothermic reaction, C. Oxidation, D. Reduction. Answer is option A. Exothermic reaction. Question number 3. 3 beakers labeled A, B and C, each containing 25 ml of water were taken. A small amount of sodium hydroxide, anhydrous copper sulfate and sodium chloride were added to the beakers A, B and C respectively. It was observed that there was an increase in the temperature of the solution contained in beakers A and B, whereas in case of beaker C, the temperature of the solution falls. Which one of the following statements is correct? First one, in beakers A and B, exothermic process has occurred. Second one, in beakers A and B, endothermic process has occurred. Third one, in beaker C, exothermic process has occurred. In beaker C, endothermic process has occurred. The options are option A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, 1 and 4, D, 2 and 3. The correct option is option C, 1 and 4. That is, in beakers A and B, exothermic process has occurred, and in beaker C, endothermic process has occurred. In beakers A and B, heat is given out, so the temperature of the solution increases, hence it is an exothermic reaction, while in beaker C, heat is absorbed from water, so temperature falls, hence it is an endothermic process. Question number 4. A reaction in which more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal is called A. Combination reaction, B. Decomposition reaction, C. Precipitation reaction, D. Displacement reaction. Answer is option D. Displacement reaction. Question number 5. Which is the gas evolved when zinc granules react with hydrochloric acid? Option A. Hydrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Nitrogen, D. Chlorine. Answer is option A. Hydrogen. Question number 6. What is a catalyst? Option A. A substance that increases the rate of reaction without directly involving in it. B. A substance that takes part in the reaction. C. A substance that slows down the reaction. D. A substance that doesn't affect the reaction. Answer is option A. A substance that increases the rate of reaction without directly involving in it. Question number 7. Which of the following metal can displace copper from copper sulfate solution? A. Gold, B. Silver, C. Iron, D. Mercury. Answer is option C. Iron. Question number 8. Find out the incorrect statement. Option A. Zinc can displace copper from its salt solution. B. Zinc can displace lead from its salt solution. C. Lead can displace copper from its salt solution. D. Copper can displace lead from its salt solution. Answer is option D. Copper can displace lead from its solution. Question number 9. When an iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution, what is the change in color occurred? Option A. Blue to pale green, B. Blue to black, C. Blue to pink, D. Blue to reddish brown. Answer is option A. Blue to pale green. Question number 10. A reaction in which exchange of ions take place is called A. Displacement reaction, B. Double displacement reaction, C. Oxidation, D. Reduction. Answer is option B. Double displacement reaction. Question number 11. A solid substance formed during chemical reaction is called A. Crystals, B. Filtrate, C. Precipitate, D. Catalyst. Answer is option C. Precipitate. Question number 12. Barium chloride on reacting with ammonium sulfate forms barium sulfate and ammonium chloride. Which is the type of reaction involved? A. Precipitation reaction. B. Double displacement reaction. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Correct option is option C, both A and B. That is, precipitation reaction and double displacement reaction have occurred. Question number 13. Which is the precipitate formed when barium chloride reacts with the sodium sulfate? Option A, sodium sulfate. B, barium chloride. C, sodium chloride. D, barium sulfate. Answer is option D, barium sulfate. Question number 14. What is oxidation? Option A reaction in which a substance gain oxygen. B, a reaction in which a substance lose oxygen. C, both of these. D, none of these. Answer is option A reaction in which a substance gain oxygen. Question number 15. Which is the correct statement about the following reaction? ZNO plus C gives Zn plus CO. Option A, carbon is oxidized. B, ZNO is reduced. C, both A and B. D, none of these. Answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 16. What is the color of the precipitate formed when barium chloride reacts with the sodium sulfate? Option A, white. Option B, red. Option C, brown. Option D, yellow. Answer is option A, white. Question number 17. A redox reaction involves option A, oxidation. B, reduction. C, combination reaction. D, both oxidation and reduction. Answer is option D, both oxidation and reduction. Question number 18. Which of the following is an example of redox reaction? Option A, CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. B, 2Cu plus O2 gives 2CuO. C, 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. D, C plus O2 gives CO2. Correct option is option A, CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. Cu is reduced and H2 is oxidized. Question number 19. Which of the following is not an example of displacement reaction? Option A, Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu. B, Zn plus CuSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. C, Pb plus CuCl2 gives PbCl2 plus Cu. D, Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 gives BaSO4 plus NaCl. Answer is option D. Question number 20. What will be the color of an iron nail after dipped in copper sulfate solution for some time? A, pale green. B, brown. C, blue. D, black. Answer is option B, brown. Question number 21. What is rancidity? Option A process in which fat and oil get oxidized. B, a process in which fat and oil get reduced. C, antioxidant process. D, none of these. Answer is option A process in which fat and oil get oxidized. Question number 22. What is the method of prevention of rancidity of food materials? Option A, flushing nitrogen gas in food packets. B, storing in airtight containers. C, using antioxidants. D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 23. Which of the following is or are examples of corrosion? Option A, black coating on silver. B, green coating on copper. C, rusting of iron. D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 24. An element X on exposure of moist air develops a reddish brown coating Y on it. What are X and Y? Correct answer is option A. X is iron and Y is iron oxide. That is the rust. Question number 25. Silver articles turn black when kept in open for some days. This is because of the formation of option A, H2S, B, Ag2S, C, AgSO4, D, AgS. Correct option is option B, Ag2S. That is silver sulfide. Question number 26. Which is the gas flushed in the chips packets to avoid rancidity? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Answer is option C. Nitrogen. Question number 27. Aluminium articles are not painted to avoid oxidation because option A. Aluminium forms a protective layer of aluminium oxide on it which prevents further oxidation. B. Aluminium doesn't undergo oxidation. C. Aluminium chloride is formed which prevents oxidation. D. None of these. Answer is option A. Aluminium forms a protective layer of aluminium oxide on it which prevent further oxidation. Question number 28. Which are the methods used to prevent rusting? A. Painting, B. Galvanization, C. Applying oil and grease, D. All of the above. Answer is option D. All of the above.